In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wi-Fi disconnecting in Windows 11. Fix today. Here, let's begin. First, we're going to forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Click the Start menu, then open Wide Settings. On the left side, select the Network and Internet. Click Wi-Fi, then open Manage Known Networks. Find the Wi-Fi network you are currently connected to, then click Forget. After that, return to the available Wi-Fi networks list. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi network by entering the password again. Reconnecting refreshes the connection and can fix temporary Wi-Fi dropouts. Now let's open your Wi-Fi adapter settings, click the Windows search bar, and type View Network Connections. Open the matching result, find your Wi-Fi adapter in the list, right-click the Wi-Fi adapter, then select Properties. Now click Configure. In the adapter settings window, open the Advanced tab, find 802.11n AC or AUX wireless mode in the list. Select it, then change the setting to disabled. Click OK. Disabling this feature can improve Wi-Fi stability on some systems and routers. But take note, some settings may vary depending on your router or internet provider. So if this method doesn't work on your end, feel free to leave a comment or ask below, and I'll try to help you further. Now, let's proceed to the next method. Click the search bar and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Find your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click the adapter, then select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Once done, let's refresh the adapter. Right-click the Wi-Fi adapter again, then select Disable Device. Wait a few seconds, then right-click the adapter again and select Enable Device. Refreshing the adapter can solve temporary network problems. Now click the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right corner of the taskbar. Click the small arrow next to Wi-Fi. Right-click your connected Wi-Fi network, then select Properties. Under Network Profile Type, select Private Network. Private mode is recommended for trusted home networks and can improve connection reliability. Next, let's change your power plan settings. Open the search bar and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel, click Hardware and Sound, select Power Options, choose High Performance if it is available. Avoid using Power Saver mode because power saving settings can sometimes cause unstable Wi-Fi behavior. Now let's disable VPN or proxy connections. Open Settings, then go to Network and Internet. If you are using a VPN, click VPN and disconnect any active VPN connection. If you are using a proxy, click Proxy and turn off proxy settings if they are enabled. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with network stability. Now let's run network repair commands. Click the search bar and type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, then select Run as administrator. Run these commands one by one. Type ipconfig /release, then press Enter. Next, type ipconfig /renew, then press Enter. Then type ipconfig /flushdns, then press Enter. Now type netsh int ip reset, then press Enter. These commands refresh your network connection and reset networking components. Next, reset your network settings. Open Settings, then go to Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down and select Network Reset. Click Reset Now, then confirm by clicking Yes. This will reinstall network adapters and restore network settings back to default. Now let's run the network troubleshooter. Open Settings and search for Troubleshoot Settings. Click Other Troubleshooters. Find Network and Internet, then click Run. Wait for Windows to scan and apply fixes automatically. Next, let's repair corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator again. Type sfc /scannow, then press Enter. Wait for the scan and repair process to complete. This checks for corrupted Windows system files that may affect networking. Now restart your router and test other devices. Turn off your router or modem. Wait about 30 seconds. Turn the router back on. Test the Wi-Fi connection again. Also test other devices connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If all devices disconnect frequently, the router itself may be the problem. You may need to reset the router or contact your internet provider for support. The combined steps help fix most Wi-Fi disconnecting and dropping issues in Windows 11 by refreshing the connection, adjusting adapter settings, repairing system files, and resetting network components. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.